Hello friends, hope y'all are fine. Everything is well with you. We are also fine over here. Here you can see Banasura Spices and Ayurvedic Garden. So this Banasura Spices and Ayurvedic Garden is actually located in Wayanad. So it is also called as Spice Garden of Wayanad. Spice Garden of Wayanad has many trees and plantations are there. Mainly they all are medicinal plants and trees. So basically there are pepper vines, there are cardamom plants, there are cinnamon trees, clove trees, nutmeg trees, vanilla vines, ginger plants, turmeric plants, curry leaf plants, lemongrass, holy basil, aloe vera, and a variety of medicinal plants are available over there. So we had been there in the year 2018 in the month of August. During monsoons, we were there in Wayanad, and this video was taken by our driver whom we had hired for the whole day. So this is one particular destination you must not miss to visit because it has many knowledge you can gain over there, especially this spice garden. They have lots of trees and plants which are medicinal and which earlier I was not knowing the use of those plants or how the way they look. The guide over there in the spice garden made me learn and understand about the spice garden of Wayanad. Especially in India, we have lots of spices which we use in our daily lives, but we do not know how they are grown, how they are being maintained in particular temperature, and what amount of water is required to keep them nourished, and at the same time this green it should be maintained properly. So these all things were described to us by our guide. Here you can see we are standing over there, and our guide, he was trying to make us understand about various plants and trees. I cannot remember the names of each and every plant particularly, but yes, of course, here he was showing the banana plantations. Especially 15 varieties of different banana are being grown there in Spice Garden of Wayanad, and he was just trying to explain each and every types of that. And then he was showing us the vanilla plantations, the vanilla vine. So vanilla ice cream we have always enjoyed in our childhood, and we all used to enjoy the flavor. So here he was trying to make us understand about the vanilla plants, and then he was trying to show us the cardamom plants over there, and each and every plants individually he tried to make us explain, and equally gained a knowledge about all the plants over there. And we really enjoyed the spice garden of Wayanad. Hope you people are liking my videos. If you are liking my videos, please do subscribe my channel for further more updates. Thank you for watching my videos, and please do continue watching the whole video because it has a lot more to show. Thank you once again.